Parts of a car. Car door handles provide the way to enter and exit the cabin of a car. They also offer security by preventing unauthorized access. Some handles require traditional keys, while others rely on electronic key fobs, passcode, entry, or even fingerprint scanner. So, ang uban day, di na day easy karon is para mo-open ang car handle is through fingerprint or key. So, ang window of a car is which provide visibility while protecting occupants from the elements, so nakay privacy. Then ang car trunk is enclosed lockable storage area, so diha din mo butang yung mga gamit or tools or extra tire kay in case of maplatan ka. Then side view mirror or side mirror, also known as a wing mirror, is a mirror placed on the exterior of vehicles for the purposes of helping the driver see areas of behind and to the sides of the vehicle outside the driver's peripheral vision. So para if mo turn or if muliko siya sa right or mo kan siya muliko sa left na siya vision, makita siya og nay mo overtake or etc. So ang headlights of a car is so ang car wheel is gamit ni siya no kay diha man wadi mo dagan o walay ligid ang truck. So headlights, that's why it's important to balance your need to light to improve your visibility with the needs of other road users. In other words, use low beam headlights when the other cars are around and high beam headlights when you are at least 150 meters from other cars. So like headlights din no kay suga din siya nga mahatag vision na gabi, like high and low kung the accelerator or gas is also known as a gas pedal. It is pedal to located on the floor or the far right. This pedal controls the amount of gas being fed into the engine and thereby controls the speed of the vehicle. Then brake, a device is for slowing or stopping a vehicle or other moving mechanism by the absorption or transfer of the energy of momentum of a car. So ang brake day is like for example is traffic light, so ganun ko mo brake para mo mahinay mo stop ang dagan sa car. So ang clutch is your car's clutch allow you to speed up or slow down by disconnecting the engine from the wheels without switching it off. This is useful because the engine constantly spins but the wheels don't. The clutch also works with your transmissions to get your car moving in the first place. So kaniding clutch yung gamit kini siya para switch like sa first gear, second gear, third, fourth, fifth, or reverse. Then is controlling food nga dili mo off imong engine. Then it's control the